Good evening. Thank you for joining us. First tonight, EBR Schools testing a shift in school hours with the goal of improving performance and attendance. News 2's Sarah Gray-Barr picks up the story.
Sylvia, this was the last school board meeting for the 2024-25 school year. Tonight's meeting set the district up for some changes in August. Changing start and end times for some schools proved to be a hot topic. 6 schools part of a pilot program: Capitol Elementary, Capitol High, Glen Oaks High, Glen Oaks Park Elementary, Melrose Elementary, and Marydale Elementary.
There's 2 areas in North Baton Rouge. Looked at truancy, looked at attendance, looked at academic performance.
The elementary schools would start 25 minutes earlier. The high schools would start an hour and 40 minutes later. Cole says data from the American Academy of Pediatrics and other health experts support a later start time for students. At last week's meeting, some spoke in favor of the time change.
I am speaking on behalf of my younger siblings who are in middle and elementary school, and a lot of them will tell you now that already it is exhausting.
At Thursday night's meeting, one Glen Oaks high school teacher opposed the change because of the impact on people's lives outside of school.
Nobody wants to start school at 8:50. We have other jobs, school, our kids are in school. How are we going to take our kids to the dentist? If we have elderly parents, what if we have to pick them up from the doctor's office?
We thought about what's best for students, and not so much what's best for adults, but we thought about what's best for students.
Cole also said the program will be monitored week to week, month to month, measuring student and staff attendance, school discipline, grades, and transport times.
Based on the numbers, if we see truancy rates go down, if we see academic performance rise, if we see attendance rise, anything is possible when you're working to make decisions that are going to meet students where they can best be successful.
If the shifted start times produce the results the district wants to see, Cole says a second phase of the program could begin the following school year, but possibly as early as January 2026. It has not been decided which schools or how many would be a part of phase 2. The board also passed next year's budget tonight. Sylvia.